Good afternoon. We are out here in Goodyear, Arizona. So this home is pretty well situated, and there's a great community that just opened up out here next to Lower Buckeye. So this particular model is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a den and a 3-car garage, just over 2,100 square feet. Welcome home. So this is the model. There are available homes that you can move in February, March, or April. Lots of incentives. If you are going to be doing some financing, the builder is offering 6% towards closing costs and buy down. You can actually buy down that rate quite a bit. If you're a cash buyer, they're offering 3% off the price. Also covering closing costs and buyer agent fees, which is pretty sweet. Remember, if you're out here and you're looking in Arizona for a home, I would love to help you. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Down below, we are constantly posting great deals and incentives throughout the communities. What I like about this particular model is the secondary bedrooms do have walk-in closets, which if you have little ones living with you, this is great for clothing, toys, keeping the room nice and neat. These secondary rooms from the front, so they're split floor plan, which is great. And again, these are great size rooms. There's a pretty good amount of furniture in here. Tall ceilings, tall doorways. Another walk-in closet. The great things about buying a new build home would definitely be the warranties. No one's lived here, so it's completely move-in ready. This particular model has wonderful wide hallways. I'm going to try to show you how close the ceiling height is. Let's check this out. So right here, you would enter the garage, which is the office. So through here is the 3-car garage, but as of right now, we're in the model, so that's just going to be the office for the builder. You do have a laundry room. It has these really pretty cabinets. Incentives that we can get with the builders. Washer, dryer, fridge, blinds. All those things cost money, so if we can get those thrown into the deal, it makes it a much better option. And right here we have that office flex room. So this could be set up as another bedroom, so it would turn this into a 4-bedroom, or you can keep it as a den, formal dining room, playroom, or as my husband would say, the man cave. The rooms are all great size. Again, we're at 2105 on the square footage on this beautiful home. Lots of storage. Super deep closet. Floor plan with a super slider. gorgeous quartz. This is what they call a European kitchen, but they also have a gourmet kitchen if you prefer the hood. This community does offer gas, and again in Arizona, it's all going to depend on the community. Some offer gas, some don't. Are also a pretty good size. So this would be your formal dining station right here, or eating kitchen. You have nice tall cabinets. And this one does have a walk-in pantry. Great, what a conversation room. So you're entertaining. You can have family and friends right there, or even outside on the patio. Sitting area, so there's definitely places to entertain, which is nice. You have a coffee nook right here, I'll call it. To go into one section of the house to the other, everything just blends nice. Hallway is wonderful coming in. Right here we're entering the primary suite, which is a great size. That's a king bed right there. I love the furniture. They did a great job staging. It's such a fun and century feel. This one has a stand-up shower that's tiled. Recently did a remodel and went with a very modern style sink. Not a good idea. I'd have to have a cabinet company come back in and build me some more cabinets because I didn't have enough drawers or cabinet space. So lesson learned there. And this right here is a really good size walk-in closet. Definitely can never have enough closet space. As you can see, this is pretty good size. This is a great floor plan. Again, it's a 3-bedroom with a den, 2,100 square feet, under $500,000 with a 3-car garage in Goodyear, Arizona. If this is a home that interests you, you want more info, want me to get you connected with a builder, get you started, you can lock in right now. I'm seeing the builders offering 3 to 5% on that interest rate for the first year and locked in for 30 years. So closing costs paid, lower interest rates. It is January 25th, 2025, so I must disclose interest rates are day to day. They do change pretty frequently depending on where the market is. So as of right now, it's a great time to get that super low rate. That's what they're they're advertising, that's what we can get you. And this patio is a really nice deep patio, super covered. What's wonderful about this particular builder and community are the lots are all pretty good size. Got this nice side yard. And what you see at a lot of the new builds now is no more of those super large hot water tanks. They're doing these tankless bad boys. And if you're not from Arizona, that right there is an air conditioner HVAC unit, so that would force hot and cold air into your home. This would be the garage door to your 3-car garage. On most of the new build homes, you're going to have a vacant lot with just dirt, so you can use your imagination. Some of the builders are offering backyards finished. Again, it's going to be depending on where you're looking, price point, and all that fun stuff. Contact me directly, 623-210-0386. That way I can get us on a plan to see which builder works best for you. This is a gorgeous home. If you like what you're seeing and you want more and you want to see what else Arizona has to offer, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. We post daily. Always posting great deals, whether it's resale or new build. We're here to help either way. Also check in. I work with multiple clients and investors and list their beautiful homes too. So if you're looking for a home with a pool, we can help you out there. Alright, so this is a gorgeous house. If it's the one for you, please reach out. I would love to help, would love to get you locked into one of these amazing deals. Hope you have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.